Prepare yourself for an extraordinary adventure into the world of survival gear and gadgets. As we explore the top 13 survival essentials for 2024, whether you consider yourself a seasoned survivor or are just embarking on your outdoor exploration journey, the tools we will introduce will redefine your outdoor experience. Emergency preparation is essential, and a professional first aid kit is a must-have in any safety plan. It's packed with supplies to treat various injuries and conditions. You can expect to find bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and tape for minor cuts and scrapes. There may also be tools like tweezers, scissors, and gloves to assist with wound care and to maintain cleanliness. In addition, it might contain emergency equipment such as thermal blankets to retain body heat in cold climates. Whether for home use, outdoor adventures, or the workplace, having a comprehensive first aid kit ensures you're ready to respond effectively to accidents and health emergencies. But your preparation shouldn't end there. The Atomic Bear Paracord bracelet is a handy accessory for any survival kit. It's an adjustable bracelet that comfortably fits a variety of wrist sizes. This clever gadget incorporates several survival tools. It has a whistle for signaling, which can be crucial in case you're lost or in danger and need to call for help. Also built into the bracelet is a compass, so you can keep your sense of direction when navigating unfamiliar territory. A fire starter feature also helps you create a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling purposes. This bracelet is designed to be a multifunctional tool while being easily wearable, ensuring you have essential survival items always within reach during your outdoor adventures. Continuing with the preparedness, the AOFAR military compass and fire starter is a versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. This two-in-one device combines a highly accurate compass, essential for navigation and ensuring you're heading in the right direction, with a reliable fire starter, a must-have for warming up, cooking, or emergency signals. Its durable construction makes it suitable for rugged conditions, ensuring it can withstand the challenges of outdoor adventures. Whether hiking, camping, or involved in survival training, this multifunctional tool ensures you can find your way and create fire in any situation, making it an indispensable addition to your outdoor gear. Another critical tool for the great outdoors is the Kseibi Wood Axe, a versatile tool designed for outdoor activities like camping and hiking. At 14 inches in length, this hatchet is perfect for splitting and kindling wood. It's crafted from high-quality, heat-treated forged steel, ensuring it's both efficient and durable for chopping logs or wood for campfires. The axe features a lightweight handle that provides excellent balance and power, increasing your swing speed for more effective chopping. Its ergonomic design makes it suitable for anyone in your group to use comfortably for wood cutting or clearing brush. Additionally, this axe doubles as a multi-use tool with its dual-head design, which includes a flat back for pounding stakes, adding to its utility in outdoor settings. It has a protective sheath for safe storage and transport, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. In addition to these heavier tools, having something to carry with you every day is important. The Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD knife is more than just a knife. It's a compact toolkit you can carry daily. Made in Switzerland with precision, this practical tool includes 7 essential functions: a small blade for cutting, a screwdriver, a nail file, scissors, a toothpick, tweezers, and a key ring to attach to your keys or bag easily. Its sleek design makes it lightweight and portable, perfect for everyday carry. Victorinox crafts these pocket knives with durable stainless steel and popular casing materials, ensuring they last. Whether you're opening packages, tightening a screw, or need a pair of scissors, this knife has you covered for all small tasks. Plus, Victorinox stands behind its quality with a lifetime guarantee, ensuring your Swiss Army knife is ready for any adventure. For those facing the elements head-on, introducing the Casio G-Shock GWG 1000 Mudmaster is the epitome of durability and functionality. This watch is resilient against harsh environments. It's designed to withstand mud, dirt, and impact. It integrates several safeguards for its buttons and can resist water up to 20 times the standard atmospheric pressure. The Mudmaster goes even further, featuring a triple sensor system that provides users with directional information, atmospheric pressure readings, and temperature measurements. It's perfect for explorers and adventurers who venture into challenging terrain. This watch is designed with their needs in mind. Discover the uncompromised toughness of Casio's G-Shock GWG 1000 Mudmaster. Another cornerstone of outdoor survival is access to clean water. The Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System is your go-to for clean water in the great outdoors. It's a compact, lightweight filtration system that accommodates diverse hydration sources, making it highly portable. Its impressive functionality allows you to purify 100,000 gallons of water, removing harmful bacteria and protozoa for safe consumption. The filtration system can adapt to attach to regular water bottles and hydration packs, or even drink directly from a specific water source using the included straw. Its minimal weight and size make it indispensable for backpackers. The Sawyer Mini ensures you stay hydrated safely, no matter where your adventures take you. Shelter is just as crucial as water in survival situations. The Go Time gear Life Tent is a compact emergency shelter that can save lives in harsh conditions. It offers a fast and efficient setup for 2 people. Made from strong, weatherproof fabric, the tent keeps you warm and dry by bouncing back 90% of your body heat, providing reliable protection against the wind, rain, and snow. This lightweight tent folds into a small storage bag, making it easy to carry in any backpack, whether camping, hiking, or keeping it in your car as part of an emergency kit. It also includes a loud whistle to signal rescuers from afar and a sturdy paracord for securing the tent or repairing gear, emphasizing its importance for outdoor adventurers and survival situations. For versatile functionality in a compact form, the EST Gear Survival Shovel is a powerful and diverse tool, ideal for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether it's forging a trail, chopping wood, or digging ditches, this shovel can handle it all. Built of solid and robust materials, namely carbon steel and aluminum, it embodies durability and resilience against wear and tear, perfect for the outdoors. It's more than just a shovel though. Its design incorporates various survival tools, turning it into an all-in-one aid for any adventure. This versatile survival tool makes it a reliable companion through every challenge nature throws, ensuring you're equipped for whatever lies ahead. No survival toolkit is complete without a reliable blade. The Mossy oak fixed blade Bowie knife is a robust and versatile tool for various outdoor activities, such as camping, hunting, and wilderness survival. This knife features a large, sharp blade for heavy-duty tasks, from cutting through brush to carving wood. The fixed blade design ensures reliability and strength, providing confidence during use in demanding conditions. Typically, these knives come with a comfortable grip handle, offering secure handling in various situations. They are also equipped with a protective sheath for safe transport and storage. With its durable construction and multi-purpose use, the Mossy Oak Bowie knife is a valuable companion for adventurers and outdoorsmen. Hydration strategies can always be diversified. Enhance your outdoor hydration strategy with the Surex gravity-fed water bag. Designed to work seamlessly with popular water filter straws like Life Straw, Sawyer, and others, this water bag transforms your filter straw into a practical outdoor water purifier. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it ensures your water is always safe to drink, meeting the highest standards for health and safety. With its large 1.5-gallon capacity, it can meet a family's or large group's water needs, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. The package includes a 6-liter water bag, an adjustable strap for hanging from trees, and a detachable tube for easy use. It comes without filter straws so that you can choose your preferred brand. The Surex gravity-fed water bag is foldable for easy packing, offering a convenient, reliable way to stay hydrated in the wild. The Leatherman Wingman Multitool follows, offering a versatile and reliable tool perfect for anyone who appreciates efficiency and wants a compact solution for various tasks. This handy device combines multiple tools, including pliers, knives, screwdrivers, wire cutters, package openers, and more. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's designed to be both durable and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket or attach to your belt with its built-in clip. Whether you're fixing things around the house, working on a DIY project, or needing a reliable tool for outdoor adventures, the Wingman has you covered. Its all-in-one functionality ensures you're prepared for any task, anytime, anywhere, without needing a complete toolbox. Finally, illumination is key in any emergency or outdoor scenario. The Nitecore P20 tactical flashlight is a powerful, compact light source, shining bright at 4,000 lumens, enough to illuminate areas up to 241 yards away. Designed for ease of use, it features 4 brightness levels to suit different needs, whether navigating the dark, signaling for help, or needing a dependable light source for any nighttime activity. This flashlight also has a strobe feature for emergencies, designed to disorient and ward off threats by emitting a strong flashing light. It's rechargeable via a USB-C cable, offering up to 30 minutes in its brightest mode and up to 350 hours on the lowest setting, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Durable and ready for any high-stakes situation, it's waterproof, impact-resistant, and comes with a tactical holster for easy access. Whether for work, safety, or adventure, the Nitecore P20 meets the demand with reliability and versatility. And there you have it, folks. We've just walked through an exhaustive lineup of essential survival gear to enhance your preparedness during outdoor adventures. Remember, safety should be your top priority when facing the unpredictable wilderness, and each of these tools can significantly contribute to your security and survival. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. We'd love your feedback. Interested in these products? Check the links in the description for more information. Your support helps us create more engaging content. As always, play safe, respect nature, and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.